Hello, I'm David. This is Larry. We're from Savannah. Savannah is a flexible core-to-customer platform that unifies its processes and workflows agnostic of core to our growing list of ecosystem partners. Our solution brings a holistic technology approach to operating and interacting with a bank for all users, whether that be a customer, teller, operations, or call center agent. We're going to hop into the demo and show the interaction between a customer, myself, and a call center agent, Larry. I'm going to call into Savvy Financial, who's using Savannah's call center and bank operations solution. I want to change some information about my account.
And what we're going to see is that David's phone number is recognized by one of our ecosystem partners, Amazon Connect. And I can accept his call, and when I do so, I can authenticate David using information from the core processor. So for example, David, can I ask what is your mother's maiden name?
Sure, it's Drega.
Perfect, thank you. And having authenticated David, I bring him into session. And when I do so, Savannah creates that single pane of glass by combining all of his relationships from the core or any system of record into a single view, like this one that we're looking at right here. Savannah has lossless integration to the core, as well as over 130 predefined tasks. So David, what can I help you with today?
Hey, could you please add my home phone number?
No problem at all. Here from a contextual menu, I can begin to add a new phone number for him. David, what's that new number?
571-363-8492.
Perfect, thank you very much. But Savannah provides more than just a simple phone number update. We create a smart case, and in this case, we're going to evaluate things like velocity and security. We're going to confirm it's a valid phone number. We're going to go ahead and initiate customer communication, and at the same time, of course, we're going to update the core processor. And these actions are all automated with the exception of those that might require escalation or intervention by one of the staff members. And this example of efficiency in bank operations is completed in accordance with configurable policies and procedures by the financial institution. And I've returned now to the system or to the banker's desktop here, and I recognize that David can take advantage of one of our Savvy CD offers. So David, I see you have a little bit of idle cash, and I'd love to send you an invitation for one of our competitive CDs.
Yeah, thanks, Larry. I like to keep a bit of cash on hand, but I have been interested in moving some cash from another bank, so I'd love to get that invite.
Perfect. I'll go ahead and send you an invitation for one of our CDs. I've sent you the invitation for our 12-month CD, and you'll receive that via email. And additionally, David, I just wanted to confirm that you'll be getting a text from us with the information for that phone number update that we just did a second ago. So David, thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thanks so much, Larry. So I'll end that call. So if we switch over to the email invite that I just received, this invitation is actually a part of our call center and bank operations solution, as well as linking to our digital experience accelerators. So this invitation can be customized to match the bank's style and branding, and this link actually goes to a deep link to our digital experience accelerators. But since I already have the mobile app installed on my phone, I will go and finish the application that Larry invited me to. So I'll open a single account. Maybe I want to do 18 months instead of the 12-month CD Larry invited me to. So I'll confirm my information, and I'll continue through the regular OAO process and accept the disclosures. And I want to fund from an external account, so this is one of our ecosystem partners. So let me authorize that account really quick. So while I authorize this account and get things set up and finish opening, I want to talk a little bit about our digital experience accelerators. So our digital experience accelerators interact with our banking services APIs, which orchestrate the same actions you just saw in call center and bank operations. So full feature parity is a guiding principle for us. So we achieve this through a single code base for web, iOS, Android, and even a progressive web app like Google Chrome. This solution is offered as a software development kit that can be deployed with a pre-configured end-to-end user experience and with customized branding in as little as 30 minutes. Since no institution is the same, we provide over 2,500 configuration options that generate real code that institutions can own and control, allowing them to add on, customize, or expand their features. Our solution is meant to accelerate development, not lock you into a product. So I can see my new CD is open. I can also go to my profile and see the changes that Larry has made. I want to come here and rename my account to the CD emoji, mainly because I think that's funny. So now that I saved that, Larry, can you see what the banker saw during that?
No problem at all. I'll search again for David's account. And when I do, I can bypass authentication, provided I have the rights to do so. And here, when I come to that banker's desktop, I'm going to notice 4 things. 1, that there's a case that's been created for that phone number update that we see. 2, that David has opened the CD from the invitation I was kind enough to send him. 3, he was able to fund that CD through one of our ecosystem providers. And 4, he was able to change the emoji on that CD name. So we hope that you've seen now how Savannah can create a frictionless interaction between financial institutions and their customers, and is indeed the way that your bank should work. Our digital delivery platform aggregates data from any core or system of record into a singular unified banker's desktop that orchestrates activities from core to customer. Stop by booth 509 and hear more about Savannah and all we have to offer. Thank you.